Begin by cutting your dough into half-inch planks, just like this. Store the remaining dough in a plastic bag so it doesn't dry out and set aside. Cut a half-inch strip off of the plank. Roll gently with both hands until you have a rounded strip that is about a 1/4 inch thick, like this. Cut a 1/4 inch piece off. Pull back and press down with the knife at a 45-degree angle. Allow the dough to ride up your fingertip to create a pocket, and release. There you have it, an evenly shaped pocket to hold onto the sauce. Cut, pull, create the pocket, release. Cut, pull, create the pocket, release. Keep your cuts and pressure consistent to create consistent cavatelli. Cut, pull, create the pocket, release. Cut, pull, create the pocket, release. And there you have it, fresh cavatelli. And there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, definitely write them down below, and I'd love to see your progress in the pasta community page.